Hi, my name is Ashley and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Balmorex Pro before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. The first thing you need to know about Balmorex Pro is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Balmorex Pro is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Are you tired of those pesky pains that just won't quit? Have you been on the hunt for a solution to keep your joints, back, and muscles feeling top-notch? Well, look no further. Today we're delving into the realm of Balmorex Pro, a potent and reliable cream crafted to boost your body's natural vitality. Balmorex Pro is designed to provide targeted relief to areas of discomfort, including joints, back, and muscles. The cream penetrates deeply into the skin, delivering its active ingredients directly to the source of pain. Unlike oral medications that may take time to circulate through the body, Balmorex Pro offers localized relief, offering quicker and more targeted results. Inflammation is a common culprit behind joint pain and muscle stiffness. Balmorex Pro contains ingredients that work to reduce inflammation, helping to alleviate discomfort and promote mobility. By inhibiting inflammatory pathways, the cream helps to calm irritated tissues and restore balance to the affected areas. Balmorex Pro boasts a powerful blend of natural ingredients carefully selected for their potent healing and pain-relieving properties. By harnessing the therapeutic properties of natural ingredients, Balmorex Pro offers a safe, gentle, and holistic approach to pain relief and skincare. What sets Balmorex Pro apart is not just its ingredients, but its commitment to customer satisfaction. With flexible pricing options and a generous refund policy, Balmorex Pro ensures that individuals can explore its benefits with confidence and peace of mind. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Balmorex Pro for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try Balmorex Pro, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Alright folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time.